Hey, how's it going? I'm Eric Gans. I'm in Baltimore, Maryland today. I'm at a house that I recently did a spray foam insulation project, and today I'm doing the test out. And that basically means that I'm going to run the blower door test, and I'm going to see how well we sealed up the house. So let's compare the results from the two tests. I'm going to show you two ways to understand the results. The first is ACH, or air changes per hour. How many times does the inside air exchange with the outside air per hour? As a frame of reference, new construction must be equal to or less than 3 ACH. So after applying the foam to the sloped ceiling, behind the knee walls, and in the tight spaces, it was time to run the test again. This house, before any work was done, tested in at 11 ACH. That's pretty high. After the work was completed, the blower door test was run again, and the new calculated ACH was 8. That's a 29% decrease in air leakage for this house, and it was in all the right places. Thanks for watching.